Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Mistake to avoid: number 4. Your casserole is watery. Green bean casserole should have a nice thick sauce that coats the green beans. It should not resemble soup. One common cause of a watery casserole is not adding enough thickener, such as flour or cornstarch, to your sauce.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
If it's a potato casserole made with cream, milk or other dairy product, you can add cheese to thicken it up or, alternatively, mix some of the excess liquid or use a little milk with cornstarch. Equal accounts of each TB cornstarch to TB liquid. Mix well, pour it into the casserole, mix it through all the liquid and...
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.